Today we will talk about number from 0 to 10 in Hebrew.
Here's how to say it.
0,
Fist. Just listen, say.
אפס, אפס, אפס,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
אפס,
Say.
0,
Once again.
אפס,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
1,
Fist. Just listen, say.
אחת, אחת, אחת,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
אחת,
Say.
1,
Once again.
אחת,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
2,
Fist. Just listen, say.
שתיים, שתיים, שתיים,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
שתיים,
Say.
2,
Once again.
שתיים,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
3,
Fist. Just listen, say.
שלוש, שלוש, שלוש,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
שלוש,
Say.
3,
Once again.
שלוש,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
4,
Fist. Just listen, say.
ארבע, ארבע, ארבע,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
ארבע,
Say.
4,
Once again.
ארבע,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
5,
Fist. Just listen, say.
חמש, חמש, חמש,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
חמש,
Say.
5,
Once again.
חמש,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
6,
Fist. Just listen, say.
שש, שש, שש,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
שש,
Say.
6,
Once again.
שש,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
7,
Fist. Just listen, say.
שבע, שבע, שבע,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
שבע,
Say.
7,
Once again.
שבע,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
8,
Fist. Just listen, say.
שמונה, שמונה, שמונה,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
שמונה,
Say.
8,
Once again.
שמונה,
Okay. Here's how to say it.
9,
Fist. Just listen, say.
תשע, תשע, תשע,
Now listen, then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
תשע,
Say.
9,
Once again.
תשע,
Okay.
10,
Fist. Just listen, say.
עשר, 10 10
Now listen then repeat. Remember to speak aloud.
10
Say,
10,
once again.
10
Okay.